Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you in Icici Direct how we can make a sell order from our portfolio. So this is my portfolio. Just click on it. Then you will get a direct option of sell here. You can click on it. Then what all things you have to enter is where you want to sell, like NSC, BSC. Then hotel name by will come by default. Quantity you have to enter here. Then limit or market. That all things you have to enter here. I'll directly show you. It's a live demo. I am selecting NSC. Quantity, I have 500 quantity in my account. I am selecting 500 quantity. With the market price I am going. Sell now I am giving. Proceed I am putting. Now you can see in our order book, this order got executed. You can see here. If you want to check in our trade book, that you can see here. As it's a market price, it's executed very fast. You can see it here. Quantity 500, almost like 1000 rupees. I had a profit for this order. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye, see you. If you have any questions, please put on the comment line. And if you would like to open an account with ICICI Angel Broking UPSTOX, link is available in the description of this video. Bye, see you.